Everyone is talking about it, 5G, even faster than 4G, even faster than LTE, and it's a big thing here at BMW as well. So what's it got to do with BMW? Sure, 5G matters to us as well. It's the future standard, so it'll be fundamental to the premium connected mobility of the future. Compared with current 4G networks, for instance, it has far more capacity, by a factor of up to 1,000. So BMW will be able to realize a wide range of additional functions. Our customers will be able to write emails or watch videos in high quality while the car drives itself. And it's all made possible by the forthcoming 5G standard. So while you're on the road, you can have fun, do some work, do all those things, and enjoy a real premium experience. That's exactly right. It's exactly what we're doing. What else will it offer? Well, besides offering far more capacity, it will offer far greater network reliability, which means we can support safety-relevant information to enhance the comfort of our customers even more. Great, sounds really exciting. I'm looking forward to it. First of all, I need a self-driving car so that I can experience all of that.
Freue ich mich drauf. Vielen lieben Dank.
Sehr gerne.
Danke.